Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's the last recipe. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button below to see more interesting recipes. Today, I'm gonna make a mala tteokbokki, mala stir-fried rice cake. As you've seen from my previous video, mala is a peppercorn that was imported from China. It is spicy, but its spiciness is a little different from that of Korea. However, it tastes even better when they're in tteokbokki. So if you're ready, let's get started. To start with, you have to cut the onion into half and slice them. Then, chop up 220 grams of cabbage into bites. Cut the spring onion into half and cut them into 10 centimeters long. Put 200 grams of Chinese glass noodle into a bowl and pour a hot water inside. Leave them for 10 minutes and drain the water. Also, put 200 grams of rice cake into a bowl and pour a hot water inside. Leave them for 5 minutes and drain the water. Put 270 grams of fish cake in a bowl. Leave them for 5 minutes and drain the water. Put 3 spoons of Chinese pepper oil in a medium heat. Put 1 spoon of ground garlic and 2 spoons of chili powder. Stir them together for 2 minutes and put a rice cake inside. Stir them for 2 more minutes. Pour 2 cups of water inside. When it starts to boil, put 2 spoons of oyster sauce and chopped cabbage. Put a fish cake and stir them all together. Put 2 spoons of red pepper paste and stir them again. Put a sliced spring onion and 2 spoons of cooking syrup. Put a Chinese glass noodle and stir them together to make it softer. If you put a Chinese noodle in the first place, it'll get too soft and tear out. Put 4 spoons of mala sauce and stir them all together. Lastly, put a chopped spring onion and stir them carefully. Boil them for 3 more minutes. I love the soft texture of Chinese glass noodle, and mala sauce really brings up the special flavor. If you are a huge fan of mala, then you should definitely try this recipe. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. See you in the next video. Bye bye!